The vortex of emotions. Psychological games behind deception. In today's society, fraud groups, especially those operating online, ingeniously exploit an unsettling reality emotions. These scammers meticulously plan, targeting those who harbor deep feelings for others, because they understand that those most eager for genuine connections are the easiest to deceive. However, once the victims discover they have fallen into the trap of deception, do they still harbor emotions towards the scammers? The answer is negative. On the contrary, they become even more callous, as if the emotions deceived have vanished overnight. These fraudulent acts not only strip people of their money, but also destroy their internal trust and belief in human nature. In the moment when lies are exposed, the once present emotions and reliance seem to be swallowed by the vortex of psychological games. Fraud not only leaves victims in financial distress, but also inflicts profound emotional wounds. Such psychological games prompt deep reflection. In a society full of fraud and cunning individuals, how do we protect ourselves while maintaining genuine emotions? Perhaps it is within this vortex that we need to approach interpersonal relationships with increased intelligence and rationality, lest we become heartless sacrifices of deception.